husband is not paying the maintenance amount also, my lord. Now, in that case, the execution is pending. Now, if we permit him to meet in the court, my lord, at least they deposit the amount which is due from last 11 months, my lord.
How old is the child?
Now 6, my lord. At the time, 2.5 when the case was filed. Daughter,
She's residing with the mother
mother.
at Bhopal.
Last 2 years, he has not come to meet the child, my lord.
Second and fourth Saturday of every month, I was permitted.
During the pendency of the case. Second and fourth
Fourth
Saturday.
Saturday of every month.
On the last date of hearing, my lord, sir, please to observe that whether the respondent wife is ready to give the interim visiting rights as per the frame rules by the London trial court, my lord. It was a 1 hour permission by the trial court, my lord. Now, I have the instructions, my lord, that she is ready, but it's not a concern. But the thing is that 125 an execution is filed. The husband is not paying the maintenance amount also, my lord. Now, in that case, the execution is pending. Now, if we permit him to meet in the court, my lord, at least they deposit the amount which is due from last 11 months, my lord. Because the court, this case has come to an end. The only proceeding before the London court below is 125. The execution of
That
125.
maintenance issue is not before us.
No, my lords have observed in that order that the same condition to meet in the court. The court in meeting in the court because he used to abuse the parents of the wife. So if then, my lord, I can only request that the permission will be in my home for 1 hour, which has been because the permission was for meeting 1 hour in the court premise. So similar condition would only applicable when in 127 he appeared, my lord, 120, or 1 hour in the my home. With the undertaking that no abusive thing.
क्या कहना है आपका, Mr. Jain?
As my lord directed,
Because we are in Bhopal, my lord, so he has no difficulty.
the parties are from Bhopal,
Bhopal.
local.
So come and visit the child at home.
How old is the child?
Now 6, my lord. At the time, 2.5 when the case was filed. Daughter,
She's residing with the mother
mother.
at Bhopal.
Last 2 years, he has not come to meet the child, my lord.
Permission was granted to me to meet on the second.
Where do you want those visitation rights to be executed?
As my lord directs, because it was directed
So
to
that 125 is pending in the family court.
Family court. Execution, 125 orders for 11 months. We have filed an execution for 125. He is not paying from 11 months, my lord, the maintenance amount.
second and fourth Saturday I was permitted.
Hmm?
Second and fourth Saturday of every month, I was permitted.
During the pendency of the case. Second and fourth
Fourth
Saturday.
Saturday of every month.
So now what is challenged here?
That my lord rejection of my application.
So you don't want to press that rejection.
My lord has already recorded them in the last date.
Under.
But ये है कि have you consulted your clients?
My lord, I have consulted my
The
client. my lord.
mother is ready.
That's why she has given, my lord, this statement that because he is not paying maintenance, it would not be a concern. But law is, my lord, that visiting right, because Apex Court says, my lord, visiting right to a father has been given by the Apex Court also in various cases, my lord. So it not be a consent by a judicial order, my lord. The same condition of Saturday in.
So why don't you ask the parties to appear virtually? Day after tomorrow we'll take it up.
Yes, yes.
You ask them to appear so that we can at least take their consent.
Thursday, my lord. Thursday.
All right, Thursday. 10:30.
10:30.
All right. To ensure that the mother has no objection as regards the request for visitation rights made by the father of the ward, let the rival parties appear virtually before this, appear personally online on the Thursday, on 4th at 10:30.
Registry may provide the links.
Registry is directed to provide the link. The counsel for the rival parties.
Obliged.